Yes, friends, how are you all? How's your life going on? We are going to talk active and passive voice. Next part, WH question words or interrogative sentences. Okay, so let's start. Here we go. Uh, when do you write a letter? When do you write a letter? Okay, question starts with when. Okay, and this is active voice. Okay, this is active voice. Active voice. Okay, now we have to convert it into passive voice. Okay, so when now is a letter written by you. When is a letter written by you? When do you write a letter? When is a letter written by you? Okay, ये passive voice हो गया. Simple present tense. Sorry, a present tense interrogative sentence. Present tense interrogative, I mean WH question words. Okay, now we converted it into passive voice. Okay, now if we talk about past tense. Okay, if we talk about present. Okay, present. If we talk about past, when did you write a letter? When did you write a letter? Okay, this is active voice in past tense. So how to convert it into passive voice? Okay, here we go. When was a letter written by you? When was a letter written by you? Okay, this is past tense. Okay. When do you write a letter? When is a letter written by you? Okay, this one. Okay, when did you write a letter? Okay, when was a letter written by you? Next, if we talk about future, when will you write a letter? Okay, so when will you write a letter? Okay, active voice. When will a letter be written by you? When will you write a letter? Okay, when will a letter be written by you? Okay, this is called future. And if we talk about continuous, okay, suppose that when are you, okay, when is he making tea? Okay, when is he making tea? Present continuous. Okay, so how to convert it? When is tea being made by him? When is tea being made by him? Okay, when is tea? Because in continuous we use being and verb third form. Okay. Next, if we talk about past continuous, When did you? Oh, sorry. When was he making tea? Okay. When was he making tea? Okay. So when was tea being made by him? When was tea being made by him? Okay. Next, future continuous. Normally we do not make the passive voice of future continuous. Okay. So when is he making tea? When is tea being made by him? When was he making tea? When was tea being made by him? Okay. Next, perfect. Okay. When has he made tea? When has he made tea? Okay, so we have to convert it into passive voice. When has tea made by him? Okay, when has tea made by him? Okay, is it right? No, we are forgetting something. Okay, we are forgetting been. Okay, when has tea been made by him? Okay, because when we convert has into passive voice, okay, we have to use has been or have been. Okay, next, when had he made tea? When had he made tea? Okay, so when had tea been made by him? When had tea been made by him? Next, it is called past perfect. Okay. Present perfect. When has he made tea? Okay. When has tea been made by him? When had he made tea? When had tea been made by him? Now future. When will he have made tea? When will he have made tea? Okay. So when will he have been made tea? Okay. When will he have made tea? When will he have been made tea? Okay. So this is future perfect. Once again, when has he made tea? When has tea been made by him? When had he made tea? When had tea been made by him? When will he have made tea? Okay, when will he have been made? Sorry, yes. When will tea have been made by him? Okay. When will tea have been made by him? Once again, when will he have made tea? When will tea have been made by him? Okay, it is called future perfect. Next, who can solve this question? Who can solve this question? Okay. Now we have to convert it. Who can solve this question? Okay. देखिए, अगर who से start होगा तो पैसिव वॉइस में वो by whom में जाएगा. Okay. By whom can this question be solved? By whom can this question be solved? Okay. Who brought this beautiful cup? Who brought this beautiful cup? Okay. So जो एक्टिव वॉइस हु से स्टार्ट होगा, ओके, वो बाय होम में चल जाएगा पैसिव वॉइस में. सो बाय होम. बाय होम was this beautiful cup broken? By whom was this beautiful cup broken? Okay. Now, if we talk about whom, whom is she helping? Whom is she helping? Okay. So जो एक्टिव वॉइस whom से स्टार्ट होगा वो who में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ओके. हो जाएगा who. राइट. So who is being helped by her? Who is being helped by her? Okay. Whom is she helping? Who is being helped by her? Okay. So this is all about WH question words in active and passive voice, interrogative sentences. Okay. If we talk about present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous, okay, normally we don't make the passive voice of present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Okay, so this is all about interrogative sentences, WH question words, and active and passive voice. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.